In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your dependent's social security number mismatch e-file reject using TurboTax. Filing your taxes can be stressful enough without added complications, and an e-file rejection due to a mismatched social security number can definitely be one of those confusing moments. But don't worry, we're here to guide you through it step by step. First, you'll want to head over to the TurboTax official website. Opening your preferred web browser, type in the TurboTax site link, or simply search for it if that's easier. Once the homepage loads, you'll see a sign in button in the upper right corner of the page. Click on that to log in. Once you're logged in, navigate over to the tax home. This is your dashboard where all your filings and tax related documents are located. It might seem a bit overwhelming with all the options available, but we'll keep our focus on rectifying that social security number mismatch. Next, you'll need to click on the TurboTax Free Edition 2024. This is where you currently have your filing in progress and where you can make necessary adjustments. Now, look for the Review and Edit option. This step is crucial because it allows you to go through all the information that's been entered and ensures it's accurate. Click on My Info. This is typically located in your navigation menu. In the My Info section, you'll have all the personal details that affect your tax filing, which of course includes family members and dependents. Then proceed to click on Personal Profile. We're getting closer to the crucial part now. In this section, you'll be able to review each dependent's information. We recommend you double check every line item, as even a small typographical error can cause an e-file rejection. Now come to the essential part where you must review the social security number you've entered. This is the core reason for your rejection issue. Compare it with the official documents like your social security card or previous tax returns to ensure there's a complete and exact match. If any discrepancies are found, correct the social security number carefully. It's incredibly important to be meticulous because these numbers are very straightforward and even small errors can lead to issues. Once you've made the necessary corrections, make sure to save your changes. After you've updated and confirmed that everything is accurate, attempt to resubmit your tax file again. This should resolve the e-file rejection issue. Remember, accuracy is key. If you need any further assistance or specific information, TurboTax offers support options, including detailed guides and customer service that can provide further help. Following these steps should have you well on your way to a successfully filed tax return. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your filing.